Okay, hi math class. We're going to do a quick review for inequality word symbols. So first I wanted to start with reviewing what the symbols mean. So from left to right, the first one is greater than, the second one is less than, the third one is greater than or equal to, and the fourth one is less than or equal to. So it can help to remember that the less than symbols point to the left. Okay, they even kind of look like a little L, kind of squished over on its side. Maybe that'll help. All right, moving on. We want to work on trying a couple of inequality word problems together. So the first step is to read it through and then highlight the key numbers and words. Liam sells TVs at an electronics store. He gets paid $100 for each TV that he sells. He also gets a $500 bonus each month for selling above a certain amount. Let T be the number of TVs Liam sold this month. Liam wants to make at least $1,500 this month. How many TVs will he have to sell if he gets the $500 bonus? Okay, so what's key here is at first point they're talking about TVs and then they're talking about months. So we want to know about 1 month, okay? So because it's 1 month, that means that the each that's important is each TV. I know it says each right here, but we're only dealing with 1 month, so we don't need to worry about other months. I hope that makes sense. All right, the next thing we need to know is what is the inequality word here? Obviously, all 4 inequalities are there. You want to look around the word of your total. So right here is our total. That's the total that they're looking for this month. So right in front of it, and sometimes it's in the front, sometimes in the back, is the words at least. Okay? At least is your key words. Now, we've done notes and we've done activities on which word means what. If you're still not sure, you should go back and recheck that, okay? So, at least we can figure this out. If I want at least $1,500, that means that kind of think below and above, okay? So the $1,500 is right here. So if I need at least $1,500, is $1,400 okay? Yes or no? Is $1,600 okay? Yes or no? So hopefully you're thinking about it. If I need at least $1,500, $1,400 is not okay. $1,600 would be okay. That means that I want $1,500 or more. And because now, then you think, so write down what I would do is I know it's greater than. So I would look through, this is less than, nope. This is less than, nope. So your choice right here for the symbols is to check. So is exactly $1,500 okay if I need at least $1,500? The question for at least is yes. If I need at least that much, and that means I need $1,500 or more. So that means that this symbol is the symbol that I want. Let's check the equation. All the equations are the same, so I would pick A. All right, moving on. Riley has 5 video games. She wants to have at least, oh, right there, I know it's right there, we just did it, 14. Okay, she currently has 5. Should have done that. How many more video games, V, could she get to meet her goal? Okay, so the other key word there is more. Okay, more is going to help me with my operation. Okay, so first and foremost, we want to check and make sure we have the right symbol. Okay, so at least, luckily, we already talked about it right here. We know that at least is greater than or equal to. So let's check. Okay, in this case, it does not allow us to cross anything out. So now we got to deal with the rest of the problem. So we know that she has 5 video games. She wants to have at least 14. Because remember, at least is always around your answer number. So how many more? So what do we do with the V to figure it out? So more, does it mean plus, minus, times, or divide? More usually, and it does in this case, means plus. Because if I need more of something, it's got to get bigger. There's only 2 operations that make it get bigger. One is plus, one is times. But if I'm adding more video games, that means I'm using plus. So now we go back and we go, which one of these choices has a plus? And in this case, it's D. All right, let's try another one. All right, we're going to try number 4. Okay, let's look at our keywords, guys. Sammy had to hire an electrician to do some work in his house. He only has $500 to pay the electrician. There will be a $200 charge for the supplies, and the electrician charges D dollars per hour. It will take him 5 hours to complete the work. How much could the electrician charge D per hour so that Sammy can afford the work? Okay, so we have our numbers and our letters. What we don't have is our inequality words. Now this one is a little bit sneakier, but you got to think about where is the total. So we know that he only has $500. So right there, I just said it, only has $500. That is our inequality word. Sometimes they're kind of sneaking in there. All right. So only, if I only have $500, I can spend $500, which gives me my equal line. So let's talk about this. $500. Can I spend, if I only have $500 in my wallet, can I spend $450? Yes or no? Can I spend $550? Yes or no? Hopefully you thought it through. I can't spend $550. I could spend $450, that's okay, which means it should be less than. So I know I need less than or equal to. Well, because it's multiple choice, let's go through. This one's less than or equal to. This one's less than, but not equal to. This one is greater than or equal to. And this one is greater than. Now let's go through and make sure the question is correct. Would it be $200? Remember, and is usually plus. The electrician charges D dollars per hour, and we know it's 5 hours. Yes, absolutely, that is correct. So those are some examples of how to set up and how to translate the word problems into inequalities. Okay, so you're going to get a page in your second piece of your assignment that looks like this. So your goal is going to be to pick the right choice. All right, if you have any questions and if you need things read to you or you don't have a screen reader, because what you can do is you can install a screen reader in your Chrome extensions and this will read it to you, please come to the office hours so that we can figure out how we can get everything read to you. Okay, guys? I hope this made sense. Again, come to office hours if it doesn't, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.